Playing music on the guitar can be one of the most exciting and rewarding things that you will ever do in life. I know it has been for me. No matter what kind of mood I'm in, I can find something to match that mood on guitar. I can share my music with just myself, my friends, or the world. If you're new to the guitar, one of the quickest ways to achieve success is to learn some basic open chords. Open chords are not just some of the easiest chords to play on the guitar, but can be some of the best sounding as well. In this course, I will show you how to play more than 30 open chords, many with multiple fingerings. You will learn major, minor, dominant 7th, sus2, sus4, add 9, major 7th, minor 7th, and slash open chords. If you learn the chords in this course, you will be able to apply them to an endless amount of songs in practically all genres. In each video, I include a chart for each chord, making it very easy to learn and follow along. At the end of the course, I include 4 chord progressions that you can strum along with me. The chords are highlighted as we play them. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate guitar player, I think there's something in this course for you. Enroll now and start learning the open chords that you'll be playing and enjoying the rest of your life. I can't wait to see you in class.